Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate virtual doctor visits with Teladoc detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Teladoc website or download the Teladoc mobile app. Create an account by providing your email address and setting a password. Fill out your personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Next, enter your health history and any current medications during the account setup process. Once your account is ready, log into the app or website. Navigate to the Consult a Doctor option on the homepage. Select the type of consultation you need, such as urgent care, therapy, or dermatology. Review the available specialists based on your selected category. Choose a doctor based on their profiles and patient ratings. After selecting a doctor, select a date and time that works best for you. Proceed to confirm your appointment by providing any additional information if prompted. Payment options will be presented. Enter your insurance information if applicable. Finalize your appointment by reviewing and accepting the terms and conditions. Prepare for your virtual visit by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. At the scheduled time, log back into the app or website. Join the consultation by clicking on the link or button for your appointment. During the video visit, discuss your health concerns and follow the doctor's recommendations. After your consultation, you can access your doctor's notes and prescriptions through your account. For follow-up appointments, repeat the process as needed. Utilize the Teladoc app anytime for convenient access to healthcare professionals. By following these steps, you can efficiently automate your virtual doctor visits with Teladoc. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.